Hello everyone, my name is Miss Majarua, but you can call me Maddie. And welcome to True Corset's Corset School, where we teach you all the basics and not so basics of corset wear and care. Today, we're going to talk about how to measure your entire body to ensure a perfect fit in a corset. Before we get started on the measuring, here's a few tips to make sure you get your measurements exactly right. First, make sure to stand straight with your feet slightly apart. Make sure to relax your body. Don't slouch or overextend yourself. Make sure to use a soft fabric measuring tape, like this one. Make sure your measuring tape is snug, but not too tight, and don't be afraid to measure a couple of times to ensure accuracy. First up is the bust measurement. Measure under your arms around the fullest part of your chest and back. The measuring tape must be parallel to the ground. Next is under bust. Measure right at your bra line. Then we measure the waist. Measure around the narrowest part of your waist. This is usually just above your belly button. Do not suck in your stomach. To get an accurate measurement, it must be relaxed. Keep the tape snug, but don't pull tight. Next is the high hip, or the iliac crest. You can locate your iliac crest by using your fingers to prod on the top of your hips. Feel for the side edge, the crest of your hip bone. This is the iliac crest. Measure around your body at this point. Finally, we have torso length. Sit in a chair. Be sure to sit up straight. Place the measuring tape centered under your bust and extend the tape to the top of your thigh. Thank you so much for watching! Make sure to like this video and hit subscribe, and be sure to ring that notification bell to be notified of all our new uploads. I'll see you next time on True Corset's Corset School. Bye!